Hey everybody, today we're going to be looking at the Train BERT. This is BERT, solder ironworks on the side, caution face, anyway this is BERT made by the HiT toy company, 2007, Gillane, and we're going to show you how to take the battery out, or put the battery in rather. I seem to do that a lot. Anyway, you can see we have two green clips on the sides here. We won't need any screwdriver for these, because we're going to just pop these clips right here like this, squeeze them in both at the same time, and out he pops. Oh, this is a different one, huh? This takes one C battery, it looks like. Okay, here's a C battery I had laying around. Okay, positive side's going to go to this side, so this way. Push it in the back, push it in the front. And there's working good. Okay. Let's put the cover back on now. Looks like an easy one. We're just going to lift this up a little so it goes in the hole easier. Guide it on. Guide it down. And he's in. Oh, not quite. There we go. Make sure both sides are clipped in. And there we have it. The Train BERT. He's a nice industrial car, huh? Pretty quiet. Must be electric. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in another video. Thank you.